Hey, what's up YouTube? Here are the 6 boxes that we are going to do for the break. Once again, good luck to those who joined, and thanks again for joining. The only moves we have is that JVKV bought the Giants, and Aiden Kai bought the Steelers from Undefined G20, and also JVKV bought the Giants from CD Bear Down. Those are the only moves. Here we go. Good luck, you guys. 2007 first. We'll move up from there. And everybody just wants to clown on Jay today for some reason. Not fair. Hate on J Day. 2007, good luck. Lions, good luck. Oh, yeah, I like card. Good luck, Lions. Good luck, Vikings. Here we go. First card is for the Texans. Andre Johnson, base. That's number to 225. What the hell is this? For our first autograph, we have a autograph rookie number to 99 for the Raiders, Quentin Moses. Quentin Moses, Cat. Congrats. Whatever that is. Alright, next autograph goes to the Browns. You can call on Tyrone Moss, numbered 41 of 75. Tyrone Moss. Wow, really? For the Browns. We got the Browns. Congrats. Beach. Woohoo! This would have been sick back then. Good lord, this was a money card. For the Raiders, killing it. Jamarcus Russell autograph. Woohoo! Comeback. Here you go. Number to 125. For the Raiders, Cat. Jamarcus Russell. I think it is. That looks like a dollar sign on his autograph. And imagine if you got this card back then. Now on to the Jets. We have Laveranues Coles, triple relic. That's numbered 66 of 99 for the Jets. Now we have a dual patch for the Saints, Deuce McAllister. Some nice patches on that one for the Saints. Grouch. Not the black. Do you have the Vikings? Oh, you do have the Vikings, Don. Oh man. The Deuce McAllister is numbered 69 of 75. Pervert. And our coasters for the Giants, JBKB, Steve Smith. And that's numbered 75. Steve Smith. Bot team there. Now on to 2008 Letterman. Good luck. Boom. This goes to the Saints. The Saints doing work. Drew Brees poster. Woohoo! I do ship that out. Just saying, I do ship that out. Yeah, that goes out. I think I sent it out last time. Whoever had the Saints last time, I got it. I seriously will send that out. Just saying. Alright, here we go. Who got it last time? Who had the Saints last time? Someone got it last time. Fuck. There we go. First pack. Looks like we have a thin one. Boom. There's our Letterman for the Bengals. Who had the Bengals? Ace Hobby. Caldwell. Letterman patch. That's for Shea Caldwell. Boom. And Chuck's face. That's number 9 out of 19. Then we have a base. Oh wait, no, this is numbered. We have a numbered base of Braylon Edwards for the Browns, 949. We have a base of Anquan Bolden, number 949. For the Cardinals, and Chad Henne, rookie, for the Dolphins. And that's number 44 of 419. Letterman box 2. You gotta be in the break, Chuck. Alright, we have for the Texans, we have a Steve Slayton manufactured patch autograph for the Texans. Sappy Joe, woohoo! That's number 27 out of 79. Woohoo! Boom, get some. And for the Ravens, we have a Willis McGahee base, number 949. Is he still alive? I think so. We have Larry Johnson for the Chiefs, number 949. And we have a James Hardy, rookie, for the Bills, number 419. Last mini box. Good luck, guys. Exactly, Adam. That is a true statement, son. Looks like we have another Letterman here. Ooh. For the Bengals again. Carson Palmer, Letterman, patch, P. Bengals doing work. Ace Hobby. Woohoo! That is numbered 4 out of 6. Then for the Colts, we have a Joseph Adai, number 949 base. We have Frank Gore for the 49ers, number 949. And for the Rams, we have a Chris Long, number 419. Now on to 2009. This is going to be a long one. Oh shit. 20 cards per pack, 16 packs. Good lord. Retail. Oh, empty? Alright. Base. Base. And they're all stuck together and shit. Good lord. Base, base. Alright, here we go. We have a rookie for the Lions, Derek Williams. Got a Brian Cushing rookie. We have for the Steelers, Keenan Lewis. We got a Robert Ayers. I don't know who that is. Oh, for the Broncos, Robert Ayers. Our first relic card is for the Bengals, Brian Robisky. For the not for the Bengals, for the Browns. Brian Robisky. And the rest is all base. They're all like stuck together. Boom! Spend a day with a player. Anybody want that? Let me know. Just saying. Yeah, this shit's all stuck together. Like someone jizzed in the packs and left it there. Good lord. Alright, got a Rodney Ferguson for the Titans. Oops. Dropped it. Got a Morgan Trent for the Bengals. For the Vikings, Phil Lodeholt? Who that is. Brian Robisky rookie. And the rest is all base. Good lord. Can you guys hear it? They're all just like snapping. Even if it gets a BGS 10, Joey, this is probably not even worth much. Damn, this is all crusty. Woo! I got Brandon Tate for the Patriots, rookie. Rashad Jennings for the Jags. Kaluka Maiwaiuvava. Look at that name. Brandon, can you help me with that name or what? Got a Kevin Barnes rookie. These are not numbered. Everything else are all base. Man, fucking crusty card, son. Oh, this is cool. It is for the Raiders. Got a little 3D card of Clinton Portis for the Redskins. Woohoo, Joe! Woohoo! Switching on them. Switching on them. I don't know. One of those 3D cards. Good lord. These are like crusty as shit. This shit. Got a Louis Delmas for the Lions. Sammy Strotter for the Bucks. Got a Ramses Barden star rookie for the Giants and a Chase Kaufman for the Bengals. Looking at penis. Yeah, it looks like this front is all base. Alright, we have a Richard Quinn for the Broncos, Sean Smith for the Dolphins, James Davis for the Browns, Deion Butler, and for the 49ers, Michael Crabtree. Boom, there is our autograph. Trying to... Good lord. Boom. For the Seahawks, Aaron Curry. Woohoo! Seahawks! Woohoo! Ace Hobby. That's not numbered. For the Sea Chickens. At least we found our autograph. The rest are all base. Curry chicken. Oh lord, look at all this crustiness. Alright, here we go. We got a Sebastian Vollmer for the Pats, Alex Maggie for the Chiefs, Jarius Byrd for the Bills, Brian Hartline for the Dolphins. They're all crusty. No base cards, please. I'm trying to just get to the hits. You don't want your base cards? I'll take them out then. Fuck it. I'll just look for the hits. Base. Hey, Paul. Alright, here we go. I'm just looking for the hits in this one. Man, look at that hair. Ray Mailuga. Woohoo! Boom, for the Ravens, we have a jersey card with Ray Lewis. It has like some stain on it. Ray Lewis, jersey card for the Ravens. That Stoner, woohoo! Boom. Looking for 2 more relic cards, I guess. It's a poop stain. DNA. DNA. Alright. Curtis Painter, Marcus Freeman. And, it's all base. Cody Brown, Michael Orr, Herman Johnson, Anthony Hill. The rest is all base. Actually, no, we're looking for one more jersey. Here it is. Out. We got for the Packers, Jordy Nelson jersey. Game day gear, Jordy Nelson for the Packers. Woohoo! There you go, Joseph. Woo, got one. Those all should be dead unless it's a hot box, which I doubt. Michael Mitchell, John Wright, Glenn Coffey, Jesus. Oh, here we go. This is for the Bills. Terrell Owens. Dancing on them for the Bills. Dancing on them. Whoop, whoop. Catch it, but I'll drop it. Catch it, but I'll drop it. You mad, Rob? You mad, Robert? Joaquin Iglesias, DJ Ware, Tyson Jackson. Alfonso Smith, Rudy Carpenter, Frank Summers, Eric Wood, and that is it. That is 2009. Let me get that 3D card. I'll send out that 3D card. It's pretty nice. Ooh. Joe would want that since he's a Redskins fan. Alright, 2010. Good luck, guys. Take out the slab card, put it here. Take the mini box, empty. Yeah, empty. Alright, here we go. Alright, we have a No-Shaw Moreno red for the Broncos, number to 499. For the Packers, we have a Donald Driver base, number to 499. We have a silver of Lee Evans, number to 100. For the Bills, 71 out of 100. Alright, next is a Percy Harvin insert, number to 299. On to our hits for the Eagles, Ricky Sapp autograph. Ouch. Boom, sick. For the Titans, Vince Young. Signal callers. For the Titans. CD Bear down. Woo! Get some, Chris. Boom, sick. Look. It's 5 of 5. 5 of 5, Chris. So if you add it, 5 plus 5 is 10. That's his jersey number. Boom. 5 plus 5 is his jersey number. eBay 1 of 1. Oh, sick. For the Jaguars, we have a 3.1 color patch. A little bit of 4 color there. There's a smudge of white in the top left. Boom. For the Jaguars, sick patch. Red and gold, Mike. Woohoo! It is 3.1 color, son. Boom, eBay 1 of 1. 1 of 50. .1. And then for the Bills, we have CJ Spiller, rookie blitz jersey for the Bills. Bobby Rain. Number to 229. 299, I mean. Now on to our Slabby Dabby. Here we go. Boom, Panini Special. One color patch for the Bucks. Mike Williams. Woohoo! Rob, the question for you. Number 2. $8.99. Good lord. I think the magnetic is more valuable than that. Alright, on to 2011. $200,000. Sick magnetic. Alright, here we go. For the Lions, Matthew Stafford, number to 299. For the Steelers, Hines Ward, number to 299. Yeah, if it was another Rodgers, oh man. For the Bucks, Daquan Bowers, number to 299. For the Bears, Gale Sayers, number to 299. For the Bears. Next is for the Broncos, Virgil Green, rookie, number to 299. Then for the Chargers, woohoo, case hit, number to 299, Down Fouts, golden anniversary. Alright, next, for the Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson insert, numbered, if you scratch one of those ones, it's going to be his jersey number, 211 out of 299. Alright, on to our hits. Nice, for the Browns, Jim Brown jersey. For the Browns, that's numbered 14 out of 25. Browns is tearing this break up. Geech. Number to 25 on the Jim Brown. Next jersey is for the 49ers, Frank Gore, Gold Rush. I think so. And that's number 28 out of 99. Alright, on to our autographs. That's a nice one. For the Jaguars, Cecil Shorts, the third ski. Jaguars, red and gold. Woohoo! Boom. That's numbered 199 out of 499. Next is for the Bucks. For the Bucks, Luke Stalker. The Buccaneers. And that's numbered to 499. The question. Alright, on to our RPA. There you go, good luck. Damn, not the right one. Shane Vereen, 3-color patch autograph. Bobby Rain. And that's numbered to 525. Bobby Rain. Woo! Some Bobby. Ooh. Now on to last box of the break. Prominence 2012. Once again, thanks again for those who joined. Ooh, that's a fat one. Fatty. Is this Inception or something? Good lord. I don't even know where the hits are. Okay, there we go. Alright. There we go. Yeah, for the Bills, it is Fred Jackson, number to 897, Fred Jackson. For the Broncos, 897 of Peyton Manning. For the Packers, woohoo, Joe, Jordy Nelson, number to 897. And now for the Raiders, legend, Marcus Allen for the Raiders, 897. Alright, on to our hits. Our last base card is for the Cowboys, Emmitt Smith, number to 897. Alright, on to our hits. Jersey is for the Jets, Stephen Hill, die-cut rookie jersey for the Jets. Joe Sapp. Woohoo! And that's number to 299. Next is for the Eagles, again, I guess. For the Eagles, Grouch, Marvin McNutt. You got nutted on, son. And that's number to 173. Get nutted on, son. Next is the last card. Yep. Good luck, guys. Thanks again for joining. Looks like a Cardinal. Michael Floyd. Rubber helmet autograph. ACS 27 was the last hit of the break. Boom, it's right here. And that concludes the break, guys. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for joining.